Hi guys, welcome to How to Library. Today I'm going to show you how to change your name on Bigo Live. So, as you can see right now, I'm on my profile on Bigo Live, and how you get here is, as you can see there at the bottom, there are like 5 icons: home, explore. The middle one is for live videos, for you to stream. The next one is community, and then there's me. On the bottom right corner, you're gonna click on the me option, and that will take you to here where I'm right now. So for you to change your username, you have to click on your name. As you can see at the very top, there's How to Library, your ID, and you click on it, and this will take you here. And on the top right corner, there are 2 icons. You're gonna click the one on the right, and that will take you here. So the first one, there's like this about me, and right under it there's a name, and mine is How to Library, so we're gonna click on that. And here you can just change your name. I'm gonna add another Y. And then on the top right corner, there's save. So I'm gonna save it. And as you can see, my name is changed to How to Library. Library, but with 2 eyes. And that's how you do it. Thank you for watching. Do click the like button if this video helped you, and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos. Bye guys.